Hello everyone! So welcome po sa ating another video for today. Welcome po sa Chadani Solution. So for this video, I am super excited to share with you this one kasi especially sa mga gumagamit ng Upwork or any webs or someone na naghahanap ng work or naghahanap ng legit website kung saan sila makaka-apply ng mga online jobs. So, I am introducing Upwork. Okay, Upwork. New feature of Upwork. So, I've been using Upwork since I'm not, active in Upwork now because I already have my full-time employer. So, it's outside Upwork, but I got my first employer from Upwork. So, before, it's called Odesk, but it is now Upwork. So, i-share ko lang ang bagong feature niya. So, may nag-email, nag-invite, in-open ko. So, tinignan ko lang yung feature, bago ng Upwork. So, pag tignan ko, accept, pag click ko ng accept, okay, nothing's new here. So, ang nagustuhan ko lang dito, meron silang bago. Okay? Ito yung bago nila. Super excited ako dito and gusto ko siyang gamitin kasi, for example, kasi marami sa atin yung mga nahihiya mag-ask ng increase, di ba? Okay, so, ilang taon ka na nag-work sa isang kumpanya pero ang tagal bago kabigyan ng increase. So, dito, parang automatic na siya, whether they like it or not, pag in-approve nila itong increase na to, or in-approve nila ito, for example, how often you want to, want an increase. So, for example, for me, I want, let's say, every 12 months, and then, you want, for example, 5% every year. Diba? So, ganyan, hindi ko pa talaga na-try to. So, once nag-submit ka ng proposal and then siguro pag na-hire ka, automatic, in-accept nila tong, approve nila to, yung terms mo for the increase. Or maybe depende sa client kung gusto niyang babaan mo, ganyan, depende sa inyo. Basta may increase siya every 3 years, ganun. So, ganun. So, ito yung gusto kong feature talaga sa mga online websites. Kasi, di ba tayo mga Filipino, nahihiya tayo ask ng mga increase. So, with this, siguro, alam na ng employer na gusto mo ng increase. Okay? So, ayun lang for today. So, yan. So, thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.